Hey my love, so today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm reviewing a massage gun from Recover Fun. The video is not sponsored, I'm just giving my honest review. Okay, so let's go. So this is how the massage looks like. The switch is at the bottom and this right here is the speed gear. You can increase the speed velocity as much as you want. The link is in the description below. If you need to get yourself a massage gun, you can head over to their website. The unique thing about this Recover Fun massage gun, it has a removable battery. You just press under where the instruction says and yep, you can repress the battery just in case. This is the charging spot and you must charge it 3 hours before using it, and you just got it. And that's the Recover Fun massage gun. Comes with a manual so you can easily read it to make sure you use it the right way, maintenance and all those good stuff.
We say goodbye from the beginning. I didn't know what we had, I didn't see clearly.
Bye guys, it's leg day, so yippee! See you soon.